Okay, so this is Sarah, who's probably quite tired because she's just finished the permanent makeup course for Katy. So Sarah, we've had a couple of clients in today, busy one. We've had a lady in this morning who had brows and liner treatments as well. Now she was actually a permanent makeup technician.
Oh yes, she was.
We trained about 5 years ago with ourselves, didn't we? So how was it working on like another permanent makeup artist?
I really enjoyed it today because she changed the colour of her eyeliner, so she had a tint of, I think it was a tint of blue in there.
Yeah.
So obviously that's something really different, and not many people want different coloured eyeliners, so that were really nice to do. And I got some feedback from her, and like what she's doing next and everything.
Yeah.
And it were really nice, yeah.
Excellent. And we finished up then just a second ago. We had another lady, a slightly older lady this time, and Kate said you did pretty much all the brows. And
yeah, I did.
So how did you find doing that?
That one was great.
Really?
I felt really confident, which... Okay, I always keep thinking, am I not? But I'm ready to go.
Excellent.
I'm ready to go now.
And that's the next thing. So you're sort of all ready. You've got things lined up, and
I've got clients ready.
And you're excited.
Waiting. Yeah, I'm excited. And I've had my own eyebrows done.
Oh yes, forgot to mention that. Lunch break, we managed to do some eyebrows as well. So how did you find getting it done yourself?
Do you know what? I thought it would kill because I am terrified of needles.
Yeah.
It was fine.
Excellent.
I couldn't believe it.
And what do you think of like the shape and everything else?
Great, yeah. Can't wait for them to be healed and see my results. But yeah, I'm excited.
Excellent, brilliant. Well, you've got a bit of a trip back now, all the way up north.
Yeah.
But it'd be great to see you coming back soon and finishing off a bit more training and also see how you're getting on with your brows and your liners. Yeah. Brilliant. Well, have a good trip, and we will see you very soon, I'm sure.
See you soon.
Cheers, Sarah.